A pre-owned 2012 Ford F-150. 2012 Ford F-150 FX4. Built Ford tough, ready for anything. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 142,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Meet the 2012 Ford F-150 FX4, the truck that works hard and looks good doing it. Powered by a 5.0 L-Flex fuel V8 producing 360 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque, it's built for hauling, towing, and everyday driving. The Flex fuel system lets you run on regular gasoline or E85 ethanol for added flexibility. Finished in Ingot Silver Metallic, this F-150 shows exceptionally well with fewer than 142,000 miles, averaging under 10,000 miles per year. Inside, the black cloth interior is clean, comfortable, and ready for work or weekend adventures. Equipped with the FX4 off-road package, it features skid plates, hill descent control, and a limited-slip rear differential for added confidence off the pavement. Additional amenities include power windows, power locks, cruise control, and an AM/FM stereo. A clean Carfax report and excellent overall condition make this F-150 FX4 a dependable, capable pickup ready for its next owner. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.